everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your T-Mobile 5G which is showing no signal on your home gateway and it's blinking. So here's a guide to restore your internet. Fix 1. You need to check your gateway signal first. Verify whether your gateway is actually detecting any underlying tower signal. Use the T-Live app to determine the current signal readings and strength. A blinking light is usually a positioning issue rather than a hardware failure. Fix 2. Verify the power connection is solid. Ensure you are using the original power adapter included with your gateway. Plug the adapter directly into a wall outlet rather than a switch protector. Fix 3. Power cycle the gateway properly. Turn off your gateway and completely disconnect all connected devices. Leave the gateway powered off for at least 60 seconds to clear session cache. Turn it back on and wait for booting to finish before connecting devices. Fix 4. Reposition the gateway for better signal. Move the gateway next to a window, on an elevated floor, or a high shelf. Keep the device positioned within 30 feet of your high bandwidth hardware. Moving the device even slightly can bypass thick signal blocking walls. Fix 5. Check and reset the SIM card. A blinking no signal light often points to a loose or unseated SIM card. Eject the card and inspect the gold contact plate for dirt or scratches. Reseat the card firmly into the slot matching your specific model's manual. Fix 6. Swap old SIM cards into replacement gateways. If you recently replaced your gateway, transfer the old SIM into the new one. All of your carrier activations and plan setups are stored directly on the SIM. Fix 7. Turn off VPNs and custom firewalls. Disable active VPN clients and custom firewall configurations on your device. These security applications can silently block key data handshake processes. Retest browsing on multiple local devices to rule out software restrictions. Fix 8. Do not exceed recommended connection limits. Check that you aren't overloading the gateway's concurrent client limits. Having too many active devices can cause overall network drops and freezes. 9. Contact T-Mobile Home Internet Support. Call the official Home Internet Support team directly at 1-844-275-9310. Ask agents to verify if there are ongoing carrier tower repairs in your area. If the gateway's internal modem is faulty, support can issue a replacement. So by following these fixes, it should help you restore your internet. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.